Welcome back to Just Kiwis DIYs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can keep up with the latest videos. Alright, for today's video, I'm going to make a cardboard name design for my son. I see a lot of people do this once they have kids for their nursery. So I was like, let me try it myself because I think I can do it. Right now, I'm just painting the back of the letter that I got from Michael's. They're 12 inches tall. I got them on sale, y'all, so I ain't paid full price. But anyways, I had some leftover paint from my old craft, so I decided to just paint the back of it. I got some scrapbook paper that I'm going to be putting on the front. It's going to be a basketball theme, so we're going to see how this is going to turn out. Okay, I run into a little bit of trouble here because I had to get the middle of the A. So I was trying to hold it without getting paint on me, but I ended up getting paint on me anyway. So yeah, let's continue though. Okay, as I started to paint this, I realized that I was painting the wrong side. I was supposed to be painting the back of it and not the front of it. So I just flipped it over and just started painting the rest of it. I did not have a lot of white paint, so I decided to add like a little water to it just so I can distribute the paint evenly. My last letter that I have to paint, my son's name is very short. I am going to be doing the basketball court on the letter E. I didn't like how that paint was looking. I guess it didn't match, so I called myself getting another color. It looked like the same color, and blending it like I'm a true professional, but it ain't do nothing. So I was just like, all right, whatever. Let's just continue to paint it. Here is the finished product. I'm just going to let this dry and then I will be doing the scrap paper on the front. Okay, my first layer I'm going to be doing basketballs. I am going to be tracing it on my scrapbook paper. Now my scrapbook paper is only 12 inches tall, so I really have to make sure I am going to glue this on really, really good because if not, it's going to be uneven. My letter is all cut out now. I'm going to make sure it's evenly put on there. Now the edge of it is not looking good, y'all, but I'm just going to go and take my Mod Podge and just glue it on because, at this point, I'm satisfied. It looks good to me. My next letter is just going to be a referee pattern. I'm just going to do the same thing I did for the first letter, you know, cut around, make sure it is even, and glue it on. Okay, I did not show y'all the cutout, but it did not look right. It was not even. So I am starting over. I am doing a new method. I am going to take the scrapbook paper and just glue it on first. And then I'm going to cut around it with an X-Acto knife. I'm looking like a true professional cutting this. I'm confident, but it's not looking good, y'all. It's not coming off correctly, so I'm not really feeling it again. Okay, so here's the letter. It's looking raggedy. The edges is not looking clean, but I'm about to just finish this up and just do my last letter. Alright, so I'm back at square one. I'm just going to trace again and cut because it worked out for the first letter, so I'm hoping, you know, the last letter be good just like the first one. Done cutting it out. I made it a little bigger than my letter and it's looking good. Like, it's super even. It's a little bit bigger than the letter, which I'm really confident about, so I'm thinking this is going to be it. This is going to be good. I am all done. It looks good up there. I was having some problems, but you know what? If you don't want to buy it, just DIY it.